Hi, I'm Sanalee Ratnayake. I'm a final year fashion design and textile student from the Academy of Design. So the reason I chose to pursue the textile field is because I felt like I needed an in-depth understanding of how fabrics are made, and I also wanted to explore the traditional heritage crafts of Sri Lanka. Since my first year, I've always wanted to explore more about the process of making birulu, embroidery and batik, and then finally I aimed on using them into my final collection. Since my first year, I've always loved street fashion, but with time I realized high street fashion was where my passion was at. My final collection is called Kyoko Kurai. In translation, it means pure darkness. It is a high street fashion collection designed for autumn-winter season. Inspired by the vibrant lifestyle of the Japanese people and the edgy aesthetics of the punks during the 1970s, this high fashion collection was created to give a new look into the future of the rich culture of the Japanese people. Kyoko Kurai pays attention to the delicate details of the sakura flower and thereby express it throughout the collection through embroidery and fabric leather flowers. The collection combines natural elements with modern urban style. For my silhouette inspiration, I took the punk leather biker jackets which was worn during the 1970s, and this is expressed throughout the collection using mainly metal zippers as well as metal studs. Using this, I represent the toughness of the punk era. And also I looked into the architecture of the Japanese culture, and thereby I took inspiration from the Japanese architecture to give a layering effect into all my looks. Each look has a layering of fabric, birulu, embroidery, and then finally topped off with leather flowers. This gives a blend of innovation and tradition. And then to give a futuristic look, I added pink LED lights. This was inspired by the night city of Tokyo, and this gives a blend of old and new. The word pure darkness explains my color palette of the collection itself. Pure, which means sakura, giving us the colors purple and pink, which could be seen throughout the seasons of autumn and winter. And then we have dark, which is shown by black, which represents the punks. The collection Kyoko Kurai represents a blend between the past and present, capturing the feeling of night by exploring darkness and light. The collection Kyoko Kurai not only draws inspiration from the rich culture of Japan, but also reimagines it for a contemporary, fashion-forward audience. So throughout my years studying at the Academy of Design, I excelled in pattern making, digital designing, having to finish high-end portfolios, also having high-end finishing on all my garments as well. So my end target is to gain maximum exposure on my work by joining high-end brands, and then finally one day to start my own brand. Thank you.